And the last way to win the game is to write a program to automatically move the key toward the palace, instead of clicking on these blocks one at a time. This is one example program that we can use to win the game. When we press on the green flag, we're going to move the key to the starting point, and then we move the key to the right hand side by 100 steps, turn left, and then move the key up by 100 steps, then turn right, move the key to the right hand side, then turn left again and move the key up to the palace. But now, when we press on the green flag, the key will just teleport to the palace and we will win the game immediately. This is because all these instructions will be executed all at once when we press on the green flag. To avoid that, we have to add some waiting instructions so that we wait before we execute the next instruction. So now when we press on the green flag, we're going to wait before we execute the next instruction. So it's going to look like an animation moving the key from the starting point to the palace.